Hey everybody, it's Randall Roberts with Coldwell Banker Sunstar Realty, and I am back. I have been attending the Florida Realtors Conference that was located in Orlando, Florida. Fantastic event for realtors to gather, learn, and of course commiserate with one another so that we can obviously feed off of what works for one realtor and perhaps doesn't work for another. But most importantly, just to discover who we are as individuals so that we can provide the best services to the people that walk through the doors of the homes that we are showing. Today I am actually hosting an open house in Northport, Florida. It's located at 3865 Trenton Lane. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, ready-built home. It's ready for you to just bring your bags and move into. The home is actually located in a lovely little quiet area in Northport. So it is certainly a pet-friendly area where people are walking their pets, because I've been watching them do so this morning, and seems to have a lot of nice neighbors that you can just get to know and perhaps spread your wings a little bit and have some backyard parties or whatnot. The home, like I said, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. It is tile flooring throughout except in the bedrooms, which makes it a lot softer when you climb out of your bed in the morning. But the house is just perfect. It is just quaint. It comes with all of the appliances, including the washers and the dryer. It has a nice little patio out back so that you can put a little picnic table or just sit outside and just enjoy the breezes or whatnot. So if you are in the market for a new home, this home is in the market for a new owner. Just give me a call, 941-786-0005. I'd be happy to show you the property. It is listed currently at, it's a move-in ready special, at $232,000, $275, and it's 1,756 square feet. So it's actually a nice little area to move around in. Ample space to spread your wings, and just everybody gets a little personal space. So again, if you'd like to take a peek at this home, I'm hosting the open house today until 2 o'clock, or you can just give me a call and I'd be happy to come show it to you at another time. Again, 941-786-0005. My name is Randall Roberts with Coldwell Banker. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.